Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can print address label from Excel. Sorry, Word. Okay, you have to make first label like this. Okay, I just created label. If you have already created label, you can print from here. You can see there is a print option. You can print document all. You can print current, or you can print from pages like 1 2 3. So how to create labels from Excel? I'll show you. Okay, I just take the new page, and okay, first you need the Excel file which you have to enter the all data. You can see this is my header and this is first row, which is header, and here the name we have country, city and zip code. You have to save this file in your computer. Now you have to go in mailing. You have to come back in Word and go to the mailing and click on start mailing merge, and you have to click on labels. Now in labels you have to keep as it is. Just select vendor if you want. I just keep it Microsoft, and uh, if you want to label you can make it 30 per page. Okay, and just click on OK. Now you have to click on select recipient and use existing list. Okay, use as existing list means you have to select the file which you have saved in your computer. So we saved documents as Excel, so you have to import data from Excel. So just select your Excel file. In my case I have in desktop, in new folder, here you can see Excel file. So I have only one sheet here. You can see only one sheet here. Okay, so if your Excel has many sheet, it will be show here. Select sheet. Now you have to make sure it should be tick. Okay, and this is the indication to Excel that your first row has a header like this, as I show you in initial in starting, that my first row has header. Okay, so it is indication to Excel that my Excel has header in first row. Now you have to click OK. So this will show you in next record. Now you have to click on insert merge. Okay, so label, you have to create labels or address labels. So you have to select all from here, and now you have to apply all borders. Okay, so you can see the label has been show perfectly. So now you have to go in insert merge. So here is the header. You can see the header, you can see here your Excel header. So insert as you want. I want first name, then I want second, in second line just enter, it will become second line. Now country, now I want space, just give space. Now I want city, just, and zip code I want in next line. I just enter, it will be next. Okay, so this format has been applied here, and now you have to update this format to all labels. Okay, so you can update from here, update labels. So all your labels has been which you have which updated as per same format. Okay, so now you have to preview. So you can see I have only 5 data. You can see in my Excel I have only 1 2 3 4 5 data. So this is only 5 labels has been appear here. So now you have to print from here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.